I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sometimes, you know, loving on the people that love on you, pouring into the people that are pouring into you, just living life because it's so short. And each moment has to be cherished and memories have to be made. As you can tell from the title, we have a wig review. Ollie Grace checking it. Hold on. Can you see it? I'll flip it upside down. Ollie Grace, y'all. Oh, wait. The way you make me feel these days. Ollie Grace, show your beauty with Ollie Grace. Here it is. So let's get into it, y'all. Okay, got a little postcard in here. Okay, Miss Girl, she's cute. It shows you hair treatment, because I know a lot of times some people don't know exactly how to take care of their hair. They put that in there for you. He got it for you. Got a wig band. Ollie Grace. And then we have the unit. Ooh. This is a 22-inch Brazilian straight lace closure. It has a pre-plucked hairline with baby hair. 4x4 lace, and it's 180% density oil. Okay. Ooh. Just the way it fall out the bag. OMG. I can't get this damn hairnet up. Oh my God. Let's get into the wig, y'all, because I'm about to. Alright, so we have the 4x4 lace here. Combs on the side and in the back. And then we have the adjustable bands as well. You know, I like to crisscross applesauce mine to make sure it's nice and snug. Snug as a bug on the rug. Okay, so there's no lace in the back. So the only lace we have to cut is in the front. And you can see it has the baby hairs on it as promised. So I think, well, I know I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. I think we're gonna curl Miss Girl. Curls for the girls. Ah! Okay. I don't need the baby hair, so I'm just basically cutting it however. Okay. Alright, let's put Miss Girl on. Mirror. Okay, we got Miss Girl on. Let's give him a reporter right now. Look how it look like it's kind of curling up on the end. Nobody like you do, you do. Yeah, we're gonna put some curls in Miss Girl. Okay, so what I'm about to do is get my part together, tweeze apart, and curl Miss Girl. Let's get it together.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks, yeah. But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. And you know it's true. Yeah.
Okay, so we got this little, what is it, bed head type of curl going on. Oh. I love this. I feel like I shouldn't have combed it though. Oh, where my rings at? Now this was very, very simple. I showed you how I did my little curls. And I was thinking it was gonna be tighter, but this hair is just so, the texture is just so, how can I describe it? But it definitely going for like that big head type of curl. Like, you know, I just laid down. Let's pretend. Oh, alarm's going off. I'm running late. Let me just finger comb my hair. Oh, it's good. I'm good. I'm good to go. I am so serious. Okay, Ollie Grace. Yes. And then not only is it the curl that I was looking for, it's also got that got body. You know, I got body. You know, hair got body. We just bodying over here, okay? Ooh, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments, y'all. Ollie Grace, don't play with them, don't play with them, don't play with them. So what I'll make sure to do is leave a direct link down in the description box so you can go straight on over to this unit and copy one. Because, like, and then it's only 180% density. Only. I'm in love. This is gonna be my go-to. Y'all think I'm playing? I hope not, because I really am. It is gonna be. So like I said, I'll leave a direct link in the description box so that you can go straight to this unit. Plus, I'm also gonna leave you a coupon code so that you can save some money off of your order. What y'all think? What are your thoughts? Make sure to like this video and make sure that you share it with somebody, especially being it's the summertime. We need some hair that's gonna get us through. Not just a few times to wear it. No, we need stuff that's gonna last. And it's gonna give us what we need. Straight, curly. This gonna do what need to be done. If y'all let me, I'll keep talking. And if y'all let me, I'll keep playing in it. But anywho, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. See if I can get the hair to do it. Almost. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.